Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the salient features of valence bond theory. So the first feature of valence bond theory is when half-filled orbital of two atoms overlap, what bond will be formed, students? A covalent bond will be formed between them. Now let us see with one example. Okay, so let us imagine hydrogen, okay, whose configuration is 1s1. You know it is half filled because 2 electron it is fully filled in s orbital, 1 electron it is half filled. So this hydrogen which is having 1s1 configuration, now let us draw that orbital, the 1s orbital of hydrogen which is half filled having only 1 electron. Now let us take another one hydrogen atom, okay, so which is also having 1s1 configuration. Now let us draw that. Okay, the half-filled 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Now this two half-filled orbitals of hydrogen atom, what they are going to do now? They are going to overlap. They are going to combine with each other. This like they will overlap with each other. Okay, so this only the first feature of valence bond theory. So due to this overlap, what bond will be formed, students? Covalent bond will be formed. Okay, so what will happen? This hydrogen 1s orbital will give 1 electron. This hydrogen 1s orbital will give 1 electron. They two will share that electron, and what bond will be formed? A covalent bond, that is sigma bond will be formed due to this overlap. Okay, that's all. What is the first feature of valence bond theory? See, the second feature of valence bond theory tells us, see, in overlapping orbital, see, we know this is the 1s orbital of first hydrogen atom, this is the 1s orbital of second hydrogen atom. When they are overlapping, no, so the two electrons will occupy the overlapping region. This region only called as the overlapping region. The two electrons, surely they will have opposite spins. So one electron is clockwise, upward arrow means another electron should be anti-clockwise. Okay, so the two electron which is going to occupy the overlapping region and which is going to involve in a bond formation should have what spin, students? Opposite spins. One is clockwise spin, another one is anti-clockwise. How we will show that now? The upward arrow indicates the electron which is in clockwise, which is rotating in clockwise spin, clockwise direction. The downward arrow represents the electron which is having anti-clockwise rotation. So they will have opposite spins. Okay, now this two electron will occupy the overlapped orbital. So when they are present separately, they are present in the 1s orbital, but after overlapping they will occupy the overlapped orbital, overlapped region of the orbital. Now the third feature of valence bond theory is, see here we know one covalent bond is formed due to this SS overlap. So this is one S orbital, this is one S orbital. Due to this overlap, a covalent bond is formed. We know that. Okay, the strength of the covalent bond which formed, it depends upon the extent of overlap. How much overlap is occurring, according to that the strength of the bond will vary. Okay, greater the overlap, to the maximum extent they overlapped, then more overlap occurs, then the energy released will be more in amount and then stronger will be the bond formed. Can you able to understand, students? Maximum overlap occurring means, maximum overlap take place means, then larger energy will be released during the bond formation. Larger energy released means then the bond formed, the covalent bond which is formed will be the stronger bond. So it means maximum overlap occurs means the bond formed will be the stronger bond. The last feature of valence bond theory is, see, we know each atomic orbital have its own direction, whereas s orbital, which is spherical, it is non-directional, whereas p orbital na px, py, pz, they are having the specific directions. So the orbital will overlap in such a manner in which direction maximum overlap is possible, that direction only the orbital will try to overlap with each other, because we know maximum overlap takes place only, we will get a stronger bond. So the orbital will try to overlap in which direction, no, in which direction maximum it can overlap.